Good morning, violins. Today I want to talk to you about the basics of a bow grip, and I want to talk to you about the basics of left hand on your instrument. Let's talk about your bow grip first. This is the frog of your bow. This is the screw. Remember that to tighten the hair, we need to go to the right. To loosen the hair, we go to the left. When you put your hand on the bow, we want to find there's a little spot here where the stick comes out between the frog and the grip. See it right here? We want to put our thumb there. Then we're going to let our big knuckles here, right here, we want to let those knuckles curve around the stick so that our fingers are just kind of hanging, our second and third finger are just kind of hanging just a little below the frog, with our pinky bent and on top, and curve our hand down. We don't want to grab it like this, and we don't want our thumb on the side. That thumb and that pinky are really important. Like that. See if you can see my thumb. When we bow, we want to go, see where my finger is? That's where the bow is going to go on top, right next to the fingerboard. Not so much down here, it'll get scratchy, and not so much over top, but right about here. So here, let me show you. So here's my bow grip. Watch. Not here, not here. Scratchy. Number one thing, bow grip, very important. Look at all that space between my hand. Can you see that hole? Look at that. I'm not grabbing it. I got a lot of space there so I can be nice and loose. When we put our bow on the string, look at my elbow. It's not down here. It's not way up here. It's just nice and relaxed. Don't move your elbow. Pull down. Push up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Not this. I'm not doing any of that. Nice and easy. Okay, so please practice those strokes. That's very important. Let's talk about the left hand. You all have tapes. I have my first finger tape where my index finger goes, all the way at the top. And you all got a pad for your thumb. First finger, second finger, third finger. This very bottom one will be pinky. Let's not worry about pinky right now. We'll leave that away. Let's talk about our hand. There's my thumb. Right there on the side, see the black? There's my thumb. Curve. I'm going to make like a C. It's almost like you're making a little looking glass to look through. That's what it's going to look like on your fingerboard. 1, 2, 3. Look at that hole. See that hole? That's important. Watch my wrist. Let me show you the number one no-no. That broken wrist. We can't touch. We're going to be nice and straight, almost curved the other way, not this way. Never, 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 never. See that? Now watch. I'm going to go around here so you can see. When I'm on the D string, remember, G string, the very, very bottom. D string, A string, E string is the highest. When I'm on the D, the second string in, when I put one finger down on that tape, I'm going to pinch, pinch, pinch with my first finger. That's E. E, one finger, E. 2 fingers. F sharp. 3 fingers. G. Now I'm going to go over here for the D. For the A. I'm sorry, the A. No fingers up on the A string. So we should know D, E, F, G, A. So, look at my hand. None of this. Look at my bow hand. None of that. Those are the two most important things you can take away from this video and when you practice this week. Now when you're practicing, make sure that you're doing this too. You're looking all the time for fingers. Yes, this is one finger. That is not E. I'm in the wrong spot. Yes, I have the right fingers for E, but it's going to be a different note. It's got to be right on the tape. Same with F sharp. Got to be there. Can't be here, can't be up here. Got to be on the tape. G, right on the tape, smushed. Last thing I want you to see is my fingers. Do you see the space? 1 and 2, huge space. That's called a whole step. E to F sharp. F sharp to G, 2 to 3 is a half step. Look how tiny that is. Big space, small space. Happy practicing. I will see you more during class and in these videos. Good luck.